If you run operations, this is for you.
What does operational compliance mean to you? For us, it means this: operational proof, real compliance, better decisions.
No missed work, no surprises. Ensure every shift and task is completed on time, avoiding gaps, delays, and costly issues. Consistent quality across all sites. Deliver the same level of service everywhere with standardized processes that improve efficiency and control. Fewer risks, better outcomes. Detect issues early, like missed shifts or undone tasks, to prevent incidents, penalties, and lost contracts. Build trust, win more business, show clear results with real data and dashboards, building client trust and supporting audits with confidence. Imagine seeing your entire operation clearly in real time. Not just what happened, but what needs attention. Missed shifts, tasks undone, and incidents with no traceability. Without real visibility, you're always reacting, and reacting costs more. mobohubb captures and organizes everything that happens in your operation as it happens. Tasks completed, issues reported, checkpoints verified, shifts covered, plan tasks and schedules, assign teams, execute in the field, and report every action in real time, all in one simple system. So you don't just track work, you understand it, and make better decisions faster with real operational compliance across every site, every shift. With advanced dashboards and integrations with your ERP and PPM systems, everything works together in one place. mobohubb is not just a control tool, it's a platform for strategic and executive decision-making. Request your demo now